In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Replit account. If you're new to coding, or just want a fast way to prototype without installing software, Replit is a cloud-based coding environment you use right in your browser. In just a few minutes, you'll have an account and be ready to experiment with Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and more from any device with an internet connection. First, open your favorite modern browser and go to https://replit.com/signup. That link takes you straight to the sign-up screen so you can get started immediately. If you land on a login page by mistake, look for a small sign-up link and switch to the correct view. On the sign-up screen, you'll see several ways to create an account. Choose how you want to sign up. You can continue with Google, GitHub, or Apple, which uses your existing credentials so you don't need another password. This is quick and convenient, and you'll approve the connection in a pop-up or a new tab before returning to Replit. If you prefer to keep things separate, select email and password. Enter a valid email you can access right now and create a strong password you'll remember. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. After you pick your preferred option, simply follow the prompts on screen. Replit will guide you through authorizing or entering your details. If you signed up with email and password, you'll usually need to verify your email before you can use all features. Open your email app, find the message from Replit, and click the verification link. If you don't see it, check the spam or promotions folder and give it a minute in case it's still on the way. It's helpful to keep the Replit tab open while you verify. Once you click the link, your account will be confirmed and you'll be brought back ready to go. After you're signed in and verified, you'll land on your Replit dashboard. This is home base. You'll see options to start a new project called a Repl and templates to begin faster in languages like Python, JavaScript, or a basic HTML, CSS site. From here, you can write code, run it directly in the browser, and collaborate in real time. Take a moment to click around and get familiar with the layout so you know where your projects and settings live. That's it. Your account is ready, and you're set to explore and start building.